Okay, this is done drooling. This is my son's shelf layout, the one we put around his room. I'm just going to do a quick video on this MTH Rail King Imperial Diesel Long Island Railroad. This thing's really nice. It's got the Proto Sounds 3. It is a smoking unit. I don't have any smoke fluid in it because right now we have the windows closed and the air on, so it really stinks up the house. But let me put some power to it, and we'll make her start up and do her thing. It's really nice. This is the startup. It's got all the LED lights on the front. When you press the horn, the lights flash back and forth. Railroad. There's the Dan logo. I got a lot. My dad worked for the railroad. So, alright, let's get the Proto Sounds on and get it going. I don't think it took that time. Let's see if it took. Maybe it did. Oh, it didn't take. Okay. Stop it. Alright. So this is the horn. Let's back it up a little bit. Directional lighting. And it speeds up, sounds of the engine, the diesel. Alright, let's get the Proto Sounds going. Alright, it took that time. There we go.
Local freight, do you have a straight shot over? Yes, we do.
Okay. Oops, sorry. Hit it again.
Local freight, you're just going up to the next yard, right? Over? Yeah, that's going to be our move for the day. Are you at the signal now, ready to pull over? We're at the signal, ready to pull.
Alright, after this one, it should let it release. It's pretty cool.
Okay, have a go and let me know if you have any trouble.
Get up there,
I'm about to turn you clear, over. Yes, sir. We'll wait for the signal indication.
Real nice one, Jim.
Coming your way now. Tower, I see the proceed slow. I'm making my move, over. You guys have a safe day. Tower out.
Real nice one. That's the Proto Sounds. Real nice engine. Going around my son's room. See what it looks like. It's changing. Really nice engine. Anyway, that's the new diesel. One of the new diesels. The Proto Sounds 3. I gotta do video. We got this Lionel, one of the Lion Chiefs, so it's got remote control, and it makes sounds and talks. It's pretty cool. I'll do a video on that one next, but this is the LIRR engine. Real nice unit.